wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too. Okay guys, what day is today?
Today is Tuesday, Miss.
It's very windy today. Do you feel it too?
Yeah, it's very windy outside, Miss.
Before starting the lesson, let's pray together. Let's start praying. Finish. Okay, Miss will record the attention. Please raise your hand. Your name is will read. Sofia Faidah Solia,
Present, Miss.
Fajar Arifatu,
Present, Miss.
Eriska,
Present, Miss.
Jenny,